Okay, hi, welcome back to eWalls. Now for your online learning course, here I will show you a brief introduction about the process flow involved in the course subscription from the user on the website or platform. So once the user select any of the course on the platform, let's say we pick here the my first course. So this course which we have created before in the other tutorial, this course costs £8, which is the sale price of the base price of £10 per month, and this will last, the recurring payment will last for 6 months. Also we include a 7-day free trial, meaning that the user will only be charged the £8 after day 7 or on the day number 8 after he or she sign up with the course. So during sign up, the user also will need to pay £5 as the sign up fee. Okay, let's say we are simulating a user who subscribed this course on the platform. So the user will click on the sign up now, and you will see the card. So on the card page here, the user will see the summary of the subscription or the course that he or she will be subscribed to. So this is my first course. So the price that the user will need to pay monthly, and the period of the course 6 months, and also include the 7-day trial and also the £5 sign up fee. So basically in total the user need to pay now is £5, and after the 7 days free trial, the system will automatically charge the user's account, either PayPal or Stripe or other automated payment method, the rest, the balance 6 and the balance £8 for 6 months automatically. So if you see here the card totals, the recurring total, meaning that the amount that will be automatically charged to the user every month is £8 for 6 months. So the next first renewal will be on August 3. August 3, which is 7 days after the free trial. So the first charge, it will be start on August 3. Okay, so the user has reviewed the orders and he or she may proceed to checkout for payment. On the checkout page, the user need to fill in the billing details, the first name, last name, country, address, town, postcode, phone numbers, and the most important is email address to get notified on the reminder or invoice or order information that's being made. Also here the system will display again the summary of the subscription and also all the amount involved, how much he or she going to pay right now during sign up, and how much the system will charge the user every month and for how long. And also indicated here, the first charge will take place on August 3rd. So for the payment method, currently we set for PayPal standard payment method. We can also integrate a different payment method such as Stripe and PayPal Express and other automated payment gateway. So once everything is okay, so the user will proceed payment to PayPal. This will open up, they will require the user to log in into his or her PayPal account. So let's say here the user will log in and continue with the payment. So this is the PayPal interface. So right now the user will be charged the £5 for the sign up fee, and click on the agree and continue. This will automatically create a subscription on the user PayPal account for the next payment. So once done, the user will be brought back to the website with the order information, the order number here, date, email, total amount paid, and detail about the subscription information. So the status now started as active. Next payment will be in 7 days after the free trial, and after 7 days the amount that will be charged monthly is £8. So the user will have the option to view the subscription. Okay, this is the user dashboard. So the user can check on the subscription menu. Here the status, start date, last order date, next payment after the free trial end in 7 days. So this is the end date after 6 months of the auto recurring period. So on February 3rd, 2023. So for the payment, this is the payment method, and the user also have the ability to cancel the subscription or change the payment method. So let's say if the user want to stop the subscription after the second month, he or she can log in into the account area here on my account area. Once logged in, can go to the subscription and select the subscription and can click on the cancel button. So this is all the payment information. This is order related to how the payments being made at the first place. So let's say the user want to cancel this cost or this subscription. He or she can click on the cancel. Okay, and that's it. This will link to the PayPal account, and he or she will not be charged for the next £8 cost fee, but only for the sign up fee, the £5. So basically, if he or she want to continue with this course, also the user can reactivate this subscription. Okay, let's see how this going to show on the admin back end. Let's go to the admin back end. Make sure you have logged in into the admin panel. Once logged in, you can go to the e-commerce menu and go to orders. So this will list all the recent orders, all the order listing. And you can see on the subscription menu, this will list all the subscription that being made by the users on your platform. So basically this is the status of the subscription, all the details, and what item, what courses, total amount involved, and the payment method, start date of the subscription, if the trial end, next payment, and last order date, and end date of the subscription. So just now we see that this subscription is being pending cancellation. It's now waiting for the PayPal confirmation. So on the admin side, you can also cancel it immediately or reactivate this subscription upon the user request. So if let's say the user don't want to continue anymore, as the admin, you can actually cancel now, so that the user won't be charged anymore for the rest of the period of the course period. Okay, for the order side, this is being recorded during the first initial course subscription only. So basically, once the payment have gone through your PayPal account or bank account, as the admin, you can also update all the orders here to completed. You can tick on the order and change status to completed and click on the apply button. Okay, basically once you have changed the status, the user also will get notified via email on the payment status, meaning that the payment or the transaction have gone through successfully. Now you can easily manage only on the subscription side, whether to cancel, activate, reactivate, suspend the subscription of the user. You can check the overview of the subscription status here, all the next payment, when will be the next payment being made, and other details. You can also click on the subscription item here on the number to see details of the subscription. So this is basically the details on all the history of the payment, the schedule of the subscription, the address of the user, phone number. This is a PayPal subscription ID. This is a unique ID that's being saved on the PayPal platform as the reference for the subscription, so that PayPal can automatically do the auto deduction directly on the user's PayPal account. Okay, that's it. Some brief information and workflow of how the subscription works on the online course platform. If you find this video is useful for you, please consider to subscribe to our channel, like and share, so that everyone else can have the information for their reference. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see you again in the next video.